Hello, and welcome to our spare parts shop overview. In this video, we're going to cover some of the basic functions and navigation of the spare parts shop, including finding a part, adding it to your cart, and placing an order. Let's start by getting logged in. Click on Sign In here. At the login screen, you will see a field for your email and a button to register. If you are not yet signed up for these tools, click on Register and follow the instructions. Once you're logged in, you can access all the spare parts shop functionalities. From the homepage, start in the navigation bar by clicking on myNORD and then Parts Shop. This will bring you to the spare parts shop homepage. To start finding your spare parts, select the orange Search by Number button. From here, you have two options when searching for parts. You can search by the serial number in the first box, or you can search by part number if you already know the part number you need. For this tutorial, we will walk through the process of searching by serial number. If you don't know the serial number of the unit, there is a drop-down guide for locating your serial number here. Enter your serial number and click Find. You now see the exploded parts breakdown of your unit. Before selecting a part, make sure to select the NORD plant in the top right corner. This option selects the facility the order will ship from. Note, you can also change this in your cart when ready to order. Then, you can choose your desired breakdown selection. This determines which component of your complete unit is displayed in the exploded view. In the panel to the right, you see the Bill of Materials list. This contains all the parts that were used to build your specific unit. The parts in this list show their position number, which corresponds to the numbers on the diagram. Other information listed includes the NORD part number, stock availability, estimated ship date, and pricing. Once you find the part you need, click the cart icon to the right. A pop-up tells you the item has been added to your cart. From here, you can continue shopping or go to your cart. Let's go to the cart. Once you have reviewed the parts list, click the orange Order button at the bottom of the page. Confirm your billing and shipping addresses and click Next. From here, select your payment method and shipping type. It's important to note that express delivery is our next-day air option for ground and LTL shipments. This can be used if your shipping address accepts these types of deliveries. Then, in the order number field, put your personal PO number. Next to that, in the recipient order number field, you can designate a tag to be printed on the package. This could be a job number, customer PO number, or attention to information. Click Next. At the order review, look over the information to confirm it's correct before reading the terms and conditions and privacy policies. Select the mandatory boxes and press Order Now. If you have any questions, you can contact NORD by clicking Contact at the top of the page.